Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a professional logo in Canva. If you want to create logo like this or somewhat like this, just stick to the end. Then you can create your own logo. Let's start. Now, just open Canva from home, search for logo. Now you can get a tons of logo template. You can use each one and customize it according to yourself. Okay. If you want to create a logo for a specific field, for example, logo for beauty, it gives us only beauty logos. You can select it, the one you need. For example, for gaming or education, you see, any field you want. For example, gaming. Good. Let's create a gaming logo. For example, I selected a logo as a template. For example, this one. Okay. Customize this template. Good. You can change every item. You can select this one and change its color. For example, change it to this one. For eyes, for example, I change this to red one. Okay. For background, you can click background, then select it, background color, click it, which color you want. Just for example, nothing more. You can change each text to your own. For example, in school. Okay. Since 2021. Okay. Also, we have the color. Just click design, stylus, preset color. For example, this color, or this one, or this one, or select vibrant. Okay. You see, you can check any color you want. Great. Bright color, vivid, or strong. Check the colors and select the one you want. Let me take back to vibrant. Okay. Great. Now you can change the text style. Click text style and which style you want. For example, let me select a style. For example, the style or another one. You see, everything is editable. Now, if you want to download the logo just from share, click download. If you have a pro version, you can make it background transparent, but I don't make it transparent. Or if you want to make its size a small size, click compress file, low quality. You can use this logo after download in anywhere. Just download. Good. Let me upload to PowerPoint. Okay. Insert image, this device. this logo, insert. Good. You see how it appears. It's editable. If you see it helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day.